All right, this week we're gonna try some of the worst reviewed food. Why? I have no idea why, but let's just get it over with. So, upon further inspection, I'm looking at the building, and is it weird if I hope that they're closed, actually? Like, so that I don't have to do this? Because that looks so bad. I don't know how they could run a restaurant out of that, but let's go find out. All right, before we go any further, it's probably good that I go ahead and read some reviews to fill you in on what kind of shenanigans this place has been up to. First review, delivery time was 1 hour on Saturday evening. I think it's completely okay. I can't judge the ambience because I use the delivery service. Well, let me just go ahead and fill you in on that, guy. There is no ambience because it's a little hole in the wall. You knock on the door, they open the door, and they hand you the food, and you scram off to the next place. I had pizza Parma. It was very tasty and I couldn't finish it. You couldn't finish it? I wonder why. Dough is more American though, not so thin. Pizza delivery guy was also very friendly. Will order again. Picture doesn't look that tasty, but it really was. And I can't help but feel like somebody from the store wrote this. Because it looks like they slid their pizza underneath of a car that's leaking oil and just let it leak oil all over the pizza for like a good day or two, and then they just took it out from under the car and said, yeah, no, that's good, we'll just give that to the person. Review number 2. Last time I ordered at 8 p.m., delivered at 11 p.m. Added to this is the bad taste. This time, delivery time 1.5 hours. Oh, okay, as stated, which it's really not. 1.5 hours is not okay. But then the pizza box was almost impossible to open because the pizzas had completely melted. Okay, next review. Delivery took 2 hours even though 1 hour was discussed over the phone. After calling, the driver was supposedly on the way, but didn't arrive until 35 minutes later, which was a bit strange considering the route was 10 minutes away. Food wasn't very good either. The meat was strange. I wouldn't have called it gyros. Well, I wouldn't call strange the right word for that meat either, but, you know, can only use the words that you can find, right? It feels like somebody just kind of put a sign on the front of their house or whatever and just called it a business. What's up? You ready to do this? Like, okay. Hold on. Let me get a Coke. I don't know. What should I try first? The pizza? Should I try the pizza first or? Okay. All right. I'll try the pizza first. What is that? Oh, that's supposed to be steak and bacon. How do you do that? The steak is overcooked, but the bacon is like undercooked. And the tomatoes are like not even cooked at all, but they're underneath of the bacon. Like how's that even physically possible? That's...
Bist du sicher, dass das Fleisch ist?
Oh no. We're about to find out though.
Oh. Was ist das? Ich muss weg. Oh mein Gott.
Here we go.
Oh. Bitte schön.
That's confusing. It tastes confusing. It's like they tried to make a deep dish crust, but like it's thin.
Mm-hmm.
The bacon's undercooked. The steak is overcooked. The tomato is just there. I don't know. It's just so weird. It's unevenly cooked. Like it's completely done around the edges, but just completely undone in the middle. It's horrible. It's dog. Try the piece that you took.
Bitte.
Just that one piece.
Oh.
Come on. That's not good. Oh, not good. Okay, let's do the burger. Oh, you think that stinks? This is what really stinks here. It's like opening an old trash can that hasn't been opened up for a long time. So we ordered a double, but they gave me somehow a triple. And there's like the meat is different color. What is that? Oh, that's not even meat.
Das ist der Rosti.
That's the rosti. That's the potato.
Oh, Dios mío. Das sieht aus, als wären es 3.
Okay, so if you guys didn't know, this is supposed to be a rosti burger. And I have to explain this really quickly because the people in America, I don't think you guys know what that is. Over here in Germany, we have what's called a rosti burger. And that's basically a burger with a potato patty fried and then put on top of the burger. If you do it right, it's delicious. It's incredible. The way they did it, I thought the potato here was just another, I thought they gave me 3 meat patties because they overcooked it, I guess, or whatever. And this is what we're looking at here. This is the rosti on the rosti burger. It's hard and gooey at the same time. I don't know how you even achieve that. And then the burger is like it's like a hockey puck or a frisbee. I could like win frisbee golf tournaments with this. I mean, look, oh my God. No! 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 Look at the color of the lettuce. Can you see it?
Ist es?
Look.
Oh mein Gott. Die ist schlecht.
I think that's out of the trash can.
Das ist, was so gestunken hat.
It smells like a trash can. That smells like a trash can.
Oh. Oh mein Gott.
That's not an exaggeration. I'm not exaggerating. Look at how brown this is. This is...
Du Scheiße. Alter.
How do you serve that thinking it's okay? Like that somebody's not gonna take that apart and look.
Der stinkt. Was hat das voll mit Mayo? Sorry.
It's like freezer burn. I can taste the freezer burn. It like, oh. I feel like they stole Wayne Gretzky's hockey puck and put it in the burger and then just like called it a day, man. Oh, God, that's so bad.
Ja, ja, ja. Nimm mal das im Mund. Schön.
Oh, this part with the I didn't try the veggies. Let's get some of those in there.
Oh mein Gott.
That's by far, that is the worst burger I've ever had in my life. I can easily say that is the worst burger I've ever had in my life. Ever. That gets a 0.5. That's only because I feel like, ugh. It's so bad. Okay, it's like I kind of want the pizza to get that burger taste out of my mouth. The burger makes the pizza taste like so much better, but like I know now that the pizza came from where that burger was made, and that just makes it like such a bad idea.
Ist okay.
I don't know how that's legal to serve. I don't know what lesson there is to take away from this video, if there is any at all. Don't order from the worst reviewed place in your town. I don't know. That's it. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. New videos each week. We'll see y'all next week. Later. That's so bad. That's it. I'm gonna.
Das steckt.
I'm out.
Darf ich das wegschmeißen?
Yeah.
Ich esse eine extra Tüte und